In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your HubSpot email. This short tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that by the end, you'll feel confident incorporating engaging video content into your email marketing strategy. Videos can significantly enhance the appeal and effectiveness of your emails, making them more interactive and captivating for your audience. So, let's make sure you leverage this powerful tool effectively within your HubSpot environment. First, you'll need to navigate to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Marketing tab located on the main navigation menu. Hover over this tab, and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, select Email. Clicking this option will allow you to access all the emails you've previously created or the ones you're currently working on. If you're new to this, rest assured that HubSpot's interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Next, you'll want to open the email into which you'd like to add the video. Simply click on the name of the email from your list. This will take you into the email editor where you can make all kinds of customizations and enhancements. If you haven't already crafted an email, you can create a new one and follow along. Creating engaging email content is key to successful digital marketing, and now you're about to take it to the next level with video. Within the email editor, you'll notice several options in the sidebar. Look for the video module, which is a dedicated tool for incorporating videos efficiently into your email. It's designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Simply find this module, click on it, and with your mouse, drag it into the specific section of your email template where you'd like the video to appear. It's as easy as dragging and dropping. It really is that simple. Now that your video module is in place, you'll need to specify the type of video you want to include. In this section, you'll be prompted to choose a video type. From the available options, select HubSpot Video. Opting for HubSpot Video ensures seamless integration and playback within the email, providing the best experience for your recipients. That concludes the tutorial on adding a video to your HubSpot email. As we've seen, adding video content is not just a breeze, but it also enriches your email marketing strategy, making it more dynamic and effective. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to delivering more engaging and visually compelling emails. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is not just in reaching your audience, but engaging them in ways that make them want to take action. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more insights and tips.